forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss problem based on operation on sets. Problem number 1. Let A equal to A comma B equal to A comma B comma C. Is A is a subset of B? Then what is A union B? Set A equal to A comma B and set B equal to ABC. Every element of set A is also an element of set B. Since every element of set A is also an element of set B, therefore A is a subset of B. Second part, then what is A union B? Therefore A union B is equal to A union B is a set of all those elements which belong to A or B, either in A or in B. So write all the elements of A and B. A, B, C is equal to B. Whenever A is subset of B, then A union B is equal to B. As a formula you can use whenever required. If A is a subset of B, then A union B equal to B. Always write larger set. Next problem. If A equal to this, B equal to this, C equal to this and D equal to this, then find there are 9 parts. So first part, B intersection C is equal to, means common element between B and C. This is set C and this is set B. Now check, there is no 7. Now 9, no, 11 and 13. There are two common elements, 11 and 13. So B intersection C equal to 11 comma 13. Second part, A intersection C intersection D. A intersection C intersection D. All are objective questions. Now what is common between all three sets, A, C and D? This is A, C and D. In D only two elements are there, 15 and 17. Check, 15 and 17 is there? Yes, 15 is there. There is no 15 in A. 17 no. So A intersection C intersection D is null set. Null set is denoted by this symbol or 5. Third part, C union D. C union D. Write all the elements of set C and D without repeating. Set C 11, 13, 15, 17. Fourth part, A intersection B union D. A intersection B union D is equal to, first write set A. Set A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection B union D. B union D. This is set B and this is set D. B union D. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. Now, what is common between these two sets? Common elements 7, 9 and 11. Fifth part, A intersection B minus C. A intersection B minus C is equal to, first write set A. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection B minus C. B minus C is a set of all those elements which belong to B, not to C. So this is B. Now check 7. 7 does not belong to C. So 7 belong to B minus C. 9. 9 also belong to B minus C. 11. 11 does not belong to B minus C because 11 belong to B and 11 also belong to C. 13 belong to B and 13 belong to C. So only 7, 9. Now intersection. What is common between these two sets? 7 and 9. Sixth part. A union B intersection C is equal to set A 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Curly bracket. Union B intersection C. What is common between B and C? Just check. 7, no. 9, no. 11 and 13. B intersection C, 11 and 13. Now tell me union of these two sets. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. 7th, B del C means symmetric difference of two sets B and C is denoted by B minus C union C minus B. B minus C is the set of all those elements which belong to B, not to C. B minus C. 7 belong to B, 9, 11 and 30 belong to B and 11 and 30 belong to C. So B minus C only 7, 9. 7, 9. Union C minus B. C minus B. So only 15. And now union of these two. 7, 9, 15. 8th point. A minus B. This is very simple direct question. A minus B is the set of all those elements which belong to A, not to B. A minus B. 3 belong to A, 3 does not belong to B. So 3 belong to A minus B. 5 also belong to A minus B. 7 does not belong to A minus B. 9 also and 11 also. So only 3, 5. And last point 9. A minus B intersection C minus D is equal to A minus B. This is A or this is B. So A minus B, 3 and 5. A minus B, 3 and 5. And 7, 9, 11 are there. So 3 and 5. Intersection C minus D. This is C, this is D. 11 belong to C. 13 belong to C. 15 belong to C, but 15 belong to D also. So only 11, 13. And intersection of these two sets, there is no common element, means 5, null set. Next problem. Let U equal to this, A equal to this and B equal to this. Find A complement, B complement, A complement intersection B complement, A union B, and hence show that De Morgan's law. A union B dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. A complement is equal to universal set minus A. U minus A means write all the elements of U which does not belong to A. So except 2 and 3 write all the elements. 1, 4, 5, 6. B complement means universal set minus B. Means write all the elements of universal set which does not belong to B. So don't write 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 6. Therefore, A complement intersection B complement is equal to, what is common? 1, comma 6. Now find value of A union B. A union B is equal to, A union B is a set of all those elements either in A or B. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, A union B complement is equal to universal set minus A union B. Universal set means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get 1, comma 6. Give equation number 1 and equation number 2 from equations 1 and 2. From equations 1 and 2, A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Next problem. Which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint? A equal to this and B equal to this. A equal to this and B equal to this. First part. A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to X such that X is a natural number and X lies between 4 and 6. This is in set Euler form. So first write corresponding roster form. X is a natural number greater than equal to 4 means X equal to 4, X equal to 5 and less than equal to 6. So X equal to 6. Since A intersection B is equal to, how many elements are common between A and B? There is no element, so A intersection B equal to 5. Therefore, A and B are two disjoint sets. Second, A equal to this and B equal to this. Write directly. A intersection B is equal to, what is common between A and B? A, there is no A. E, yes, E belong to this. I, no. O, no. So only one element. So A intersection B equal to E, not equal to 5. Therefore, A and B are not disjoint sets. Thank you.